A CPA is someone who does taxes, certified public accountant. They've gone out and they've gotten their license, and I use a great CPA firm out of Utah, and I've never actually met my CPA. We do all of our stuff online or via phone or internet. Some people prefer the local CPA where you go and you can sit down in their office and watch them do your taxes. Essentially what a CPA does is keeps you out of trouble with the IRS. Maximizes your deductions, hopefully minimizes the amount of money that you have to pay to the government, not to a criminal level or anything, but we all just want to pay our fair share. And I recommend having a CPA and having a bookkeeper. I'm going to give the credit on this back to Robert Kiyosaki. In his book, Retire Young, Retire Rich, he says that a bookkeeper it might not be Retire Young, Retire Rich. It might be 10 things you need to know before you start your own business. He says a bookkeeper is essential and is probably the most important person to any business. Obviously, after you start making money in your business and you kind of know how to do that, that's the main thing. But then you have to keep track of the books. I use a program called QuickBooks, and my CPA and myself, and my bookkeeper myself, sit down every single week and go over our books to make sure that we're moving throughout the year, that we're moving very, very smoothly. And then at the end of the year, I don't have problems. I don't spend, late nights and, up until 3 a.m. doing my taxes, because I know that I've done the right thing throughout the year. I think that it's very simple with the programs that are available now. Maybe 15, 20 years ago, or when our parents were growing up, it was challenging. But right now, you've got the programs. All you've got to do is input the data. Some of these programs are even online. I know the program that we use with our CPA is online. It syncs up with our bank account every single night. We've got all the charges in there. All the accounting, all the bookkeeping is really done for us, and we just have to review it on a weekly basis. And some people don't even balance their checkbook on a monthly basis. It's essential. Bookkeeping is kind of like exercise. You gotta do it every single week, or minimum of every single month. I'm looking at my books probably once a day throughout the day, checking with my bank and checking with the books just to make sure that everything's going smoothly. Now, when you're starting out, you don't need to have that elaborate setup, but you do need to choose a good CPA firm, and the education that we provide has a great CPA firm attached to it. But there's multiple great CPAs across the country. You want to find somebody who doesn't specialize in high-end executive income. Find somebody who concentrates in business ownership, real estate, entrepreneurship. Those type of small business CPAs are where you want to find your leads. And a lot of times attorneys know good CPAs because they're always interacting together, and bookkeepers will know good CPAs, and or the person that you're looking to get into real estate with or getting into your own business with may have a good CPA that they can recommend you.